Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be doing an unboxing of my design team kit from Miss Lynnette over at Chic. I'll have her link down below. She does a monthly kit, and I'm so blessed that she just invited me to be on her design team. Actually, it's been a while. I've been doing it for a while, but she keeps sending them to me, and she has the most beautiful kits. She does them quarterly, I believe now, or every other month. I'm not sure. Anyways, go ahead and check out her channel and her Etsy shop. I'm not sure if she still has this kit available, but I know she'll probably have other kits that she has done in the past that might be available. This one is called My Story, and it seems to be a floral, here is the beautiful graphic that she always includes with a letter on the back. And yeah, this is really pretty. I'll show you what the journal is. She includes a journal along with an ephemera pack for each kit. And oh, this is gorgeous. So this is a traveler's notebook size, I should say. And what she does is with the journal, she'll design a cover using a really pretty double-sided scrapbook paper, and she usually does sewing on it. This one has this really pretty crocheted doily, and then she added this really pretty trim at the bottom and the title, My Story. And the inside has several kinds of paper. It is pretty plain with the intentions that you're going to take the ephemera kit and use that to decorate the inside. So she usually has dyed papers in here, vintage papers, all different sizes. There is a graph paper and a glassine bag, pink, that matches the kit. She'll do her special heart dyed paper, and this looks like maybe she did avocado dyeing because it's kind of a pink hue. Here is a vintage book page there, some lined paper, pretty pink lined paper, some smaller yellow lined paper, so that is what the book looks like. It's really pretty. And then we'll go ahead and open up the ephemera pack. Sorry, I have just recently moved across the United States. I was in San Diego and now I'm in Ohio, and so I'm trying out a new layout here. Actually, this is kind of a makeshift right now because my craft room isn't done. It's almost there, and I will have a craft room tour coming in the next 2 or 3 weeks, maybe, depending on how long it takes me to get everything set up. But I wanted to get my unboxings done of some things that I've received, and hopefully I'll have time soon to do some crafting and get some tutorials up. But right now I just have this new background kind of set up on the floor. For now, my desk has things piled up on it, so as soon as I get that up and going, I will start crafting on my new desk, and we'll be able to film up there too. So here is the bag of, and my lighting probably isn't the best right now. I apologize for that. So anyways, here's the bag of all the fibers and yarns, and it just goes perfectly with it, like everything that she puts together. There's this really pretty vintage card and a claim check, and then in this pink glassine bag, there are several little punch outs that she makes with the paper collection. So there's circles and hexagons, these little squarish, I don't know what that's called, hearts. There's some little style tags, some pink tags, those are really cool, and then some vellum flowers, flower stickers. These are really pretty, gold labels, ticket stub, and some pink tickets. So lots of fun things here to use throughout the book. Here is this really pretty flattened bottle cap that I can use to make a charm or just make as an embellishment maybe on the cover. It has the little clear cover there, so I can use my circle punch and put something in that. So that's cool. And then here is a little gold binder clip with a charm. It looks like a book charm and a little chain in there. Gold paper clip. And then in this little bundle there is a postcard, flower postcard with a doily, and this really pretty gold envelope. Here's a vintage flashcard. I love this envelope. It's just like a shimmery gold. Here is a library pocket and a card. Little tiny disc envelope. And this is a cute little journaling card. Looks like a memo pad of paper, but tiny. And then this little cute envelope here. And then this is a sheet that says from the library of. So this theme is kind of a writing your own story. So that's really cute stamp that she used there. It's an alterations tag and a plain tag, inventory tag, and a guest check. And then here is the large tag that she always makes with the paper. Alright, and then here's another journaling card. It says happy thoughts. And then some labels there that I can alter. She puts these in most of the kits and I have yet to alter them. I need to do that. Then here is the bookmark, the little bead bookmark that she always makes. Here's a really pretty floral napkin. That'll be neat to do some collaging with. And then here's this little tiny dot bag. That's cute. That'll be nice. I could put that in on one of the pockets. Maybe put some colored paper behind it. And then that could be a little pocket on the page. There's a couple of those. And then here's some of the paper collection. I really like the coordinating pattern on the back side. And then here is, looks like some vintage stationery paper. Weekly time record. I need to do something with this too. She's had this, included this in some other of her kits. This is a really nice big windowed envelope. I could use that, like make a belly band, and then yeah, that'll be fun to work with. Here's a little book page, a tiny little flower book page. and then another bigger rose book page. Some other vintage book pages here. This looks like a poem book page, and then a dictionary book page, and then this is from I don't remember this author, but I like her book pages. I can't remember the name of that author, and I think it's her art as well. And then this is a really cool stationery page with the typewriter down at the bottom, and then a piece of vintage wallpaper. So yeah, I'm going to do some crafting in this and film another video or two like I always do. So if you'd like to subscribe to my channel and come back, hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when my next video comes out. And yeah, go ahead and check out Lynnette's channel. It's Cheaply Chic. And also follow her on Instagram. I'll have her links down below. And hopefully you're able to pick up one of these kits. If not, you can check out my future video to get some inspiration. Also, you can check out her channel for inspiration, and all the other design team members. She should have the design team links in her video as well. So, alrighty, I will see you guys on my next video. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.
I'm in love with you. I'm in